What's going on, guys? This is your boy Mr. 75 Caprice with another video. And as you guys seen earlier, I have brought La Felix to Arandas, as y'all can see behind me, to get a new trans or rebuilt trans installed on La Felix, because ever since we bought it, the truck never shifted. So that's why y'all never see me driving it, because the truck would not shift. But now we are here back at Arandas and we're gonna pick it up because it's all done with a new trans. So where's it at? There it is. Guess we're gonna go on a first test drive. Hopefully it shifts now. I know the only time y'all see this truck is on the trailer or in the tow truck. But this time, we don't have no tow truck. We're gonna be driving it back and see how it feels. You know, we never really, I cruised it around the car show before, but that was not really driving it. You know, I want to hit some blocks with it and see how it feels. This thing's nasty, guys. Also, the next stop on this is going to be the sound shop. I want to show you guys the interior, but it's not 100% done yet. I know you guys already got a sneak preview if y'all went to my car show. And there's a clip on Instagram that shows a small clip of it, I guess. But I'm gonna be showing you guys soon once it's all done. It's just, I feel like it's not complete all the way. So we are waiting to finish it up. So yeah, guys, Felix is now ready to be on the road. Well, let's go on this test drive. Alright guys, we are back at the shop and I got my buddy out here, Walter, trying to convince me to sell him the Chevy Caprice Bubble. I don't know if he can, but he's over here playing with it and we're gonna see what he thinks about it. So, come on. What you doing there, bro?
It's fucking all right. Is it empty? Oh, no, this. Shake it down.
I know what you're doing.
No.
You know these cans are expensive now, right?
$5.99 at Menards.
Nope, they're $11. I was just there yesterday. It went up. Oh yeah, everything went up.
What?
Everything went up. These are like 11 bucks. I was just there yesterday because I was gonna buy some.
Oh, you know where it's leaking from? The master booster. See it? Don't hit the brake. I bet you that's wrong.
Oh yeah, right here. It's on this line.
Go ahead, do it. Carl? Here?
Yeah, it's from the line, ain't it?
Oh, it's from the reservoir's cracked.
Oh, the reservoir?
Yeah.
It's the reservoir.
Just gotta change the whole thing. That's all $100. Yeah, right.
Just the top piece, bro.
They don't just sell the top.
Yeah, they do.
No.
Yeah, they do.
I wish they do. They don't. Well, you've never seen anybody just change the top piece. Cracked right here.
Did the AC work or no?
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, they check headlights on. We didn't even use it all. Wait.
See, the old man got me, bro. He told me that there was nothing wrong with the car. Hey, why is your brother gotta be so picky, bro? You know, you're actually the first time. I never even drove the car.
You don't even know if it shifts?
No. It needs a good buff, right? You can tell it's been like stored away.
Yeah, it's probably so warm, right?
Yeah, you seen the video? Oh. That was at a barn in Indiana. It was like
They probably were putting shit on top of it, taking off, to, you know.
Oh yeah. No, I think they ended up. They washed their car with like some.
Bullshit.
Yeah, and they scratched the heck out of it. But where is he going? All right. Well, let's see when he comes back. He putting the signals. I think he needs some exhaust. For what? Man, that muffler. But you know the good thing is a 94. Saw that cat like a verb. For what? Just go ahead.
Like shaking bad.
It's shaking bad?
That's why I could have gone. You're going up and down the street. Listen, you do a circle? Up in the back.
I believe you.
I would have died with you.
Nah. What's up, couple? Yeah, guys, gotta break it down to you guys. I know you guys are probably wondering where's Pablo, but as of now, and I don't know for how long, Pablo's no longer with us. The guy I got the dog from had taken him to go breed him, and he just never brought him back. So texted him once, asked him what time is he bringing him back. Didn't reply to me, so I'm still waiting for his reply. So yeah, guys, I guess Pablo ain't coming back because we haven't heard back from the breeder, and he took him to go do some breeding, and he never came back with him. So yeah, guys, Pablo won't be in the channel until at least I hear back from him. That's if I even hear back from him or something, but I haven't heard back from him, and I don't know if he's just gonna keep him or I don't know. So, but we still got my boy Capo. He definitely ain't going nowhere. Right, Capo? Tell him how hot is it out here. It's humid. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys, I already installed the alternator as well on the truck. Let me pop this hood for y'all real quick. So this right here was the old alternator, which it was smoking at times and didn't charge the battery. And we had put a new battery on it, and it wasn't doing its job. So you know, we ended up upgrading to Power Master. Now it's on there. So now we have charging going on. So now it's charging the battery. So that's a new battery. So now we got power going on. We got a new transmission. So the truck is ready to go. Now we're making arrangements hopefully next week. After I come back from Florida, this is gonna go to the sound shop and put some music on it and do the final touches. I'll show you guys the whole interior, see what you guys think. I would say having second thoughts about redressing or dressing up the motor. I just don't know if I want to keep the 350 or if I should just LS swap it. So I mean, the truck runs and drives good right now. I just don't know if we should swap it. So that was the thing that I was unsure about. So I guess we got some thinking to do. But like I said, it does run and drive now. So, but an LS will be cool. So I don't know. I guess if we do it's gonna be later on, not anytime soon. We are in no rush. I at least want to drive it around before I do any more changes. Are gonna take forever. So right now it's driving, it's moving. We can take it up and down the street. All we need is some music and see how we do. Now, where is this guy with this damn car? Let me find out he stole it, guys. These guys think I know the whole history on these cars. Like, you guys seen the video? I bought the car like that. I haven't done nothing on it. It's OG from when I bought it. I didn't even test drive the car, so of course the car has been sitting and it's gonna need some fixing. That's any car, any old car, no matter what it is. But let's see what he says.